Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. In this video, you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. I always try to bring new and unique ideas. Look at this, how lovely these are. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most, and also you can save the video. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family members. All ideas are new and unique. Look at this. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most. I hope you are enjoying the video. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.